TV so bedwon dwumadi so dia wo kan se nsɛmpa ɛsa kana no pɛ so gya medin de Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie kratch back pɛ the only nomenclature professor's degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and me ekɔ quantum coordinates modern sa kana no pɛ so bio ɛwɔ Ghana kudim eja so no so mam sɛ nkomɔ no dɔso na mo rich oko bo modern da sɛ wo sabetia kan rich oko no obetimi din so hye anom obetimi din so nyun so atua anom yɛwɔ ketwa yɛwɔ adentem anafe obode no honoma family size on set make be betia bo no issue dey no ama wetimi start to day right in the Ghanaian way rich oko wom etach the pana game park games the chachas no kwetua saba boys dia edi na nyasem ketwa club modern da draw no ba so e Adom TV so anopa awia ene anwumre ntimi so e afa ho gym se be betua samba ma sika dwete ho nsem so etimi asesa kakra e dia ma a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins to very first step pension sem fan fi EPL matches Saudi timi san pm 11 fm keti fam ho ekopie mu ewo Tamale Golden Dream hotel ho ana Ghana Football Association for paying for a day elective congress native in terms so Kurt Edwin Simon Kraku the incumbent SR elected and was about 20 Jumadi so abojuma as the Ghana Football Association president na ohe support it Puma na enyasim kuma.
I've always said that the road ahead of us will never be easy and will never be smooth, but we will get it. Sure. That's why I call on all of us, just like I said in Kumasi, to come together, to stay together, because the leadership of your FA is ready to listen to the other mind. We are ready, and we will listen to the other mind. We will listen to discerning voices. The 4 years ahead of us is to allow all of us to accelerate our rate of development. I've always said that the road ahead of us...
Kurt Edwin Simon Okrakure elected as the Ghana Football Association president, and I think I can say, or the inaugural speech, 8 me atujano. But Ghana Premier League results and after reaction say ho dia but yenko Patrick Osajman countryman sungu ho na afi yemfa Songo stick na ro pay nkoma ane so etwen say pipim. Hello Songo.
Professor.
Bibia boko de.
No. Bibia boko re-elected. No, illegal. Me to Ghana for the one and to re-elected. No. There are problems. Contempt at you woman. Onye re-elected. Okoye by force elections Tamale. Yes, Omokoye by force elections for Tamale because before Tamale, Omoko for elections, you know, that was a Thursday, a fit of fit, you know. Now court injunction was a court hearing before on the 12th. FI elections, you know, football elections, you know, see about 2 abandoned free so about from about there was court injunction to contempt that you woman. So when you're re-elected, the right now situation a woman of a very bad money football because and go for a woman force as that is the FA woman football to a force about when there's court injunction, you know. I mean your football you need to be a woman say between us or not saying so also court it me the mamra ye juma also court it me mamra ye juma see a bit to me say ya to so ababiem and I say ya to football for so ababiem no court to the bet there because Ghana court actually say injunction that on the 12th of October and also elections in Basu. Onu kwa kasa wiye o kasa o sai kasa yentie ayi enkofu atem yentie enkofu asem san ye diguma san ye di association san ye di Ghana football they say because mo ya association mo ye members na uji tumi za mo ye members ka mo be fa kwa bi so etimi ayi George free so ba be contest o ama o say o person ko won post it's a mo ye members I mean, individual and I'm here so George free. But Mokoye illegal in a way, it's now a speech. A cuckoo dama for also met Ghana Football Association. It was the sports ministry better. Well, sports ministry no more. Women say contempt but you more. Then also easy or omunya tight, omuni elections be more conduct is here of Ghana. The first time I get to Klaku as every president. Easy. And the conducting of football elections. This same easy. No man ready to conduct elections, but there was court injunction. And for football, don't say any elections in the basu. Easy, ama. No more no form more easy. More football people no more form more easy because most say or most statutes most say easy ama or some more for me. Easy to one because contempt the sports minister dear speech no the better actually. You are told so about your real little as every president name was executives are also sports minister Shimukina also to me kasa uti ati kasa papa bi edite actually say because a Ghana Football Association and head Okleku Football Association we have in our babela la be Ghana for what you say na what heti will be why you do things why should I cut away and him say contempt to her and him say o see dem na ye adwuma force why elections because munim some time better 25th of October. And the aban bit ma take over normalization and rest football no amun bit ma yen yendi. Ma force why is elections me. Ghana court and the pass or your quarter. And you could be am ready. Say judicial system no pa and say one ma court injunction of so called football people go we mo pa. Akwakoye elections we are next Ghana court next Ghana above the law no amount for you above the law okuru amount from far emran yeduma emran and chibimo next enko Ghana for you above fire who adwene me rep fireman yenina be fire who adwene say the legal say yetimi mamrache because you respect the court to pa Ghana court to see people for mamunya elections October 12, Mekasa wo because my mom was junction. Nem kofoya force wakwakoye elections. Say we elected my foot professional. I append them. Why we elected? You after now your football, you need president, you need executives. But because of Blasters, we are quite friendly match. Maybe a professor or US against US national team in Mexico national team. Sika say the PM. Sikate in the womb. One organization is saying Siko, you move to Mosafreno. That's PS money Sikate in the Bina. Otin Americana said, Nina could be Sanoma wing now. The reason why yes, I illegal elections, no. And he said, Omo the football in Yeska, Omo the football in your woman, Omo, you know, man is me, I'm a football in any football, I picture you or Ghana. Now, yeah, Ghana for supporters. Yes, we need Ghana, Jacob. But blasters now, Omudi Benyaka. What you say because certain court problems. Because also thinking elections now ultimately in charge. You know the blasters couple have friendly matches winning. Tika Ghana you know. And one thing the blasters the Pisca, the players agency the Bob blasters. Blasters got 2 matches against Mexico. Against Mexico in the US. Blasters is to see him say Ghana you talent, you play far or see more chance near home. Near to me near Kuye, Yakobo boy here or Afro because Nansan could be a near. But here is how we assisted these same old players, agency players, and yes, I did go for 2 matches with 2 matches to Sikata Livina. Ghana to US after South Mexico near friendly match. Sikata Livina. And you move handle football in your Sika or blasters, Omuti blasters in the Benyeska. So called football people blasters, Omudinyeska. Post to now move 18, Omudinyeska. Tino money pretty sad illegal elections play there. But also court, Ghana High Court, court it me mam ready woman, contempt to woman, not court to me punish woman, court to me a woman say, my bad elections lead to me into. And no one thing woman you play a football, some may penny, some may handle football, some may football. Men are may penny, men are taking instructions, men are my instructions. name football. Moon near Pinita Mobile, Yamana F. Amagama, the Caps, Aje, a crew, a grassroots here, junior national teams, in a big enough blasters. I see the players, because you don't manipulate the system, you the blasters, bubble friendly matches, busy, Ajidiska, Agneska, a good bottom, a good what you say, blasters, and the Mexico, US national team, bubble match. HPR4,
okay.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
No one here will move, rough. And in no for illegal elections.
Okay.
But also the negative woman. 1 p.m. prof, not what to fire for fire.
May that say. Patrick Osage, my countryman Songo stick. And other by say elections, a PM or Tamalin illegal elections in Tinyami 12th of this month here, Bessa Kupimo Court and Haji Abdul Karim Gusa, Eddie case in Kupimo Court. But Black Stars, Airborne first game against Mexico, United States of America on the 14th of this month, and our Kings in a course. No, Bessa US about on the 17th this same month, and as our Kings case in ABT 220, say FA phone be available for court, and as so many available, Emerin Krabia, and a ABT actually. Send us, ma'am, say GPL week 4 matches net of Mediana Stars, Eche, Brekum, Chelsea, and a Kabako in Tiante, Bechem United 1, Mediama Sporting Club 2, na Shagro. Of soccer fiesta, the scoreline was barren. Ekwe Kuku Simu, our Nebi, Miss Benebi, Ubi and Witia Pusun Yoko Atena, our Sakin Sinim. Uhima, Nessa Gold Stars, and so Charity Kanakami 70 Nations 1, Legon Cities 1, Karela United 0, Great Olympic 0, and our fans so Quando out of Lance, the pride of IB, the Boboleji boys, Woman Tano Bofakwa, as you, and 18 APM, our Sakin, Bibia Bitremene, Hearts of Lions, Womo Eshena, Accra Lions Mum. Womo ene kotoko ene debeboso Accra Lions versus Kumasi Asante kotoko ene we outstanding first channel so everything say p but she has a folk any dreams against na say na agro no esiko e.
But the fans are not happy. Yeah, but this is football, and if you see what young team we have and what's happened in the pre-season, we did a very good job. We have no striker. I tell you again, we have no striker. Isa is going to abroad, and we have no striker back. So I tell them every time. So yeah, so we missed the striker.
Why did you take off Kasala?
Yeah, do you think Kasala was good? Do you think he was good playing? No, he was not good playing. So then next one is going in. Hamza Isa, young player, a lot of talent also, and he fights. And Hamza Isa is for us the next option. So yeah, that's the reason. No, I'm not worried. I'm not worried.
But the fans are not happy.
Yeah, but this is football, and if you see,
and he has a full for coach. A friend said Martinos Kopman, and I tell him has a top player no. Ni striker. You media umudiniti no. Abrantia wasela. Man for so yadi and so say hunenra. Question me easy course as obobo no e reverse we na nya dia e betimi abone nya me adom ko be brina na aka efroto mu e besa e dia babium but rich oku bomode da son sabiti aka be start your day with rich oku e no betian san bo rich oku no keto ho adentem na afi obodo e honom nti family no on set me ka bia betian bo a e mo start to dinner right in a Ghanaian way sans na game park games won so technically pa and e dwumedi 18 asabdo shendos mam say sister Sunday be a guy in terms of entertainment here I say be out of Robert Ghana had in some no, the can swing the can suka crabby pay and or the ebro. But before Sister Sandy Bebano, the health tips and subebro na wapomo don some so wait and such ye. Within the profit kiwalas a good catch back open of course. Evidence based presentation me jaw. Rather entering him on your case or if be the Suni now on found could be so. The act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye.